Hey, everybody.
Welcome
to the auto shop.
To the Jerry.
Where the hell am I at?
Welcome to the Jerry and Dr.
Laura
Show.
Show.
Sponsored by
the Auto
Shop. To schedule an appointment, please call 972-578-0588.
Or go to www.theautoshop.com and you'll see a couple places to click on an appointment. I brain bubbled. I forgot where I was at.
Well, that's really difficult to believe because you've been in business for 40 years.
Holy crap, that just means I'm old.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, it's January 15, 1981. I started working on cars in the driveway of my house, and here we are in this beautiful building it's 0.8 acres under the roof, and we've been in this building, believe it or not, we're coming up to 28 years in this place. 28 years. Are you that old? It's older than you.
Yeah, I know. I'm older than that, I promise. So, well, seriously though, congratulations.
Thanks.
On 40 years in business.
Hey, we can't do it without our great customers.
Yeah,
and we love our customers.
We love our customers, and our customers really love us. So
really?
I got an email from Bud yesterday.
Bud, I love Bud. He's an old curmudgeon like me.
And he said, I know I'm not your longest participating customer, probably missed that by a few years, but it's always been so nice to have someplace to go where I got honest recommendations, service that was needed, only services that were needed, problems fixed the first time, and at a fair price. He said, many years ago, I heard Jerry telling one of his young techs something along the lines of, take care of it as though it was your mother's car. So, well...
Bud's not such an old curmudgeon after all.
He said it kind of makes you feel good, all like warm and fuzzy inside, to know your car is also being treated the way that I have felt for many years. So,
isn't that fun?
Yeah,
just
that's awesome.
One email of many that we've been receiving with a congratulatory note on our 40-year celebration.
Yeah.
And it's a fun time, so I'm excited. I don't think I'll be here in another 40 years, but hopefully
you'd be really old then.
Right, but the company will be.
Yep.
We're set up to take care of people for a long, long time.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah?
Okay, this is not a car question.
Oh, I'm in trouble.
Okay, so tell me about this big bottle of champagne back here.
Well, everybody likes bubbles, don't they?
Not everyone, but most people do. I do.
I know you do.
Yeah.
So this is...
Oh! This is a big bottle.
This is a very big bottle, and this is a bottle that found its way here. So we went and visited some friends in Florida.
It's 6 liters.
It's called a Methuselah.
That's 9 bottles of champagne. Right?
Yeah.
9 bottles. Methuselah, that's one of the kings in the Bible.
Yep, sure is. And this bottle, we were going to see some friends in Clearwater Beach, Florida, and we went to this beautiful place for brunch. And while we were there, I saw this on the bar, and I asked them, because, I am a level 2 somm by my hobby.
Sommelier.
I like some.
Yeah.
Some good wine, that is. But we found this bottle. It was sitting on the bar, and I asked our friends if they knew the story of Veuve Clicquot. And they, of course, did not, but just so you know, Veuve, the word Veuve is French for widow. And this wine is the Widow Clicquot. Oh, I'm spinning it. We're spinning it.
Yeah.
So wherever it says that, Veuve Clicquot, Veuve is right here. And you can see that. And sorry that it's all scratched up, but that's how I got it. So anyway, the story is Veuve Clicquot actually created the method of champagne making that we still use today. And this company was founded in 1772. And when she got married as a young woman, her husband wasn't doing such a great job with the business, and he died 6 years after they got married, and she had to go borrow money to keep the company afloat while she created this new method of champagne and became internationally famous, very famous. She was the first international businesswoman, and of course the company next year, it will be 250 years they've been in business. But the fun story is, I meet my friends, I tell them this fun story about a great person in history and some really wonderful champagne, and how they got this bottle and sent it to me here at the shop. I don't want to know, but it is a fun story,
Oh yeah, and it's a huge bottle.
and filled with filled with lots of stories and great memories.
Yeah, the bottle's empty.
Shh.
Oops. I didn't drink it. So seriously though, congratulations.
Thanks.
And I wish you all the best for another 40 years.
I wish us the best. It's
Yes,
us.
It's us.
We're working together, and that's the beauty of it. You know, we really have a great team. I love the folks that we work with, especially you. You're the cutest one of all. But thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching us. I promised when we started doing these little shows that we would include fun things and even talk about some wine. And here you go. This is a fun one to talk about. Not everybody has a Methuselah at their disposal, but if you get one, invite me. I want to be there.
Me too.
And remember, if you have car problems, check us out at www.theautoshop.com or give us a call at 972
578
05.
88 to
Hey,
schedule your appointment.
All right, bye everybody. See you next time.
See you next time.